Welcome to the O'Connor Elder Law channel. I'm your host, Melissa O'Connor. I'm a Florida-based elder law attorney who does estate planning, focusing on long-term care needs, commonly referred to as Medicaid planning, and I do probate, and I do it well. Today I wanted to talk to you about keeping certain assets secret from Medicaid and whether or not that's a good idea. But before I do, I invite you to schedule a free strategy session with me at eldermeeting.com. So as you may know, I offer free strategy sessions, and when I was having a conversation with a family about Medicaid application and protection and how we could possibly shift some of their assets in a way that would not trigger a penalty period and still get their loved one qualified for Medicaid benefits. We were winding up the call, and then they mentioned, oh, and we do have this other asset, but Medicaid will never find it. Nobody's ever going to find that, so we don't need to worry about it. And that caused pause, right? Because essentially what they were saying is that they were planning to not disclose this asset to Medicaid as part of their application, and that they didn't think that we needed to put any plans in place to otherwise make it such that it would not count as a countable asset when we were evaluating our Medicaid application for the future. And the very seeking to have a lawyer participate in Medicaid planning and represent them to then neglect to mention an asset, tell the attorney about it, and say, oh, we don't need to worry about it. Essentially what that is, without them maybe realizing it, was they're seeking to have the attorney essentially conspire to commit fraud with them. By failing to report an asset to Medicaid, that's Medicaid fraud, right? And professionals such as attorneys or accountants, financial advisors, we cannot participate in any sort of plan that involves not being forthright and essentially deciding that if nobody else can find it, we're just going to take a risk. That would be us conspiring to commit Medicaid fraud, and that's not something I know anybody would sign up for. So while it might have just been a comment in passing, it is certainly was something that caused flags, and it would be something that most attorneys would not be able to participate in. None of us should participate in that, and it would give us pause. So the family will have to decide whether or not they're going to do a complete Medicaid plan with all and address all assets as part of the application, or just simply have to proceed on their own and decide how they will go with that. But I just wanted to share with you, if those thoughts crossed your mind, maybe you didn't realize the gravity of that, what that really is. That is Medicaid fraud, a desire that is, and when you want somebody else to help you with it, that's a conspiracy to commit fraud, and it's not something that we will be able to assist with. I hope that this information has been helpful for you. If it has, I ask that you like and share with others, and as always, you can schedule a free strategy session with me at eldermeeting.com. Thank you.